US30 recap, 3rd of October. There it all is on your screen, all labelled up as you know. Main area here to label is your previous weekly low. That is a key liquidity pull. So once that's taken, you're looking for a reversal. You also have PMIs this day, nicely labelled up. Let's go to the chart. So what would you be looking for here? This is your discount buy area, drag that along. You haven't really got a premium sell area here. A lot of wicking about, not real volume going into the market. So overall, you'd be looking for a buy from here. Here is the MOP, pre-London, and then the London opening here. So the London opening is retesting the MOP and then showing you bearish confirmation, bearish pressure from there. So this again is for the more experienced trader, because the London opening takes place, pushes up. This price action here is already took liquidity from here, and the pre-London is pushing price up to that area to retest that MOP. So London traders were easy to sell. Price comes down, and then you'd look to areas to get into the trade. Liquidity here, you see no kind of reversal. Price comes down into this discount buy area. So in this area, you'd be looking for a buy. But you can see here, we push right through it and just about take this low here. And that is a confirmation that is not very strong. So what I would do here is I would buy, but I'd be not looking to hold for a longer time. And you can see how it's just a retracement back up to here where the pre-London has taken place. So it's just a retest. What that tells you is overall the sellers are in power. The volume is showing there, this is retracement. Then we go into the New York session. Here's the pre-New York, high volume time. I'm thinking it might have been a news event. We'll put that down as high volume time. And then you got the New York opening here. So we are within a discount buy area from yesterday, but we've already got that retest and we're showing retracement price action, and this is showing more bearish. So you probably wouldn't have got a trade here. You might have, for the more experienced traders, that push up there took liquidity on the release and then started to get the drop. So that is, I'll put it small, so that's a more experienced trader entry. But that will come with time. The main one would be following the trade templates, pushing down, taking liquidity here, and then getting into the buy once you start to see a bit of reversal kicking in. Once again, price comes up, PMIs are released there, kicks the volume into action, and then comes up to New York opening again. That's where you take most of your partial profits. By that time, you'd have been at break even. You might have been even break even by the time the PMIs are released. Price comes up, messes about in that area. You might have took a few sell trade attempts in here and here. Let's say you took a few stop loss hits. That'll do. And we can go over there. Liquidity. This is now a New York open discount buy area. So this is being seen as a retest for a continuation up. And I noticed that's what it does a lot of the time. On the open, if you get a big swing like this, it will normally come back and retest that area because they've already got positions in at those levels. So when you get a retest like this, it's always good to favour that reversal, because like here, they then continue to buy. So, no real... Let's see, what was that? Was that a news event? I would have labelled that up. Jobless claims. Jobless claims. So this was a jobless claim news, which got retested 1 or 2 times. So I won't label them up, but you could have seen that as a retest for a continuation down. A bit like here. Here's the big volume downwards. So that's a nice little sell trade with the jobless claim retest once again. But not everyone would have seen that. You don't need to see everything. Overall, you got two trades from the London session, and then a new one. I would say this is your main buy again. same principles as the previous days. Push down, then buy in with the reversal after taking liquidity. And that's following this picture. And that's taking the previous weekly low. That is a major liquidity pull. Okay. And that is on this chart here, which is here. So this candle here is what I just explained, it taking the previous weekly low. And you can see after it took that, you got that big reversal towards the upside, and that's what we're going to go over next. So it's taking a major liquidity pull. That's why you're expected a full reversal. Now on to the fourth.